Fine. So Asha and Nisha spent 60% and 75% of their respectively monthly salary. Nisha kept 60% of remaining as savings and gave the remaining 2,100 to her sister. What was the Asha's monthly expenditure if her monthly salary was 25% less than that of Nisha? Okay, no issue. So, see, the first they given regarding Nisha, right? So, Nisha 75% of their monthly salary she spent and kept 60% of the remaining as savings. Among that savings, she gave the remaining 2,100 to her sister. Okay. Now see, okay, Nisha, what are the salaries she is having? 75% spent. What is remaining? 25%. Among that 60% is for savings. So let's say, okay, what you people can do, better way is assumptions in percentages topic, we're lucky enough to assume the values when all are in percentages. 60%, 75%, 60%, below 25%, except one value remaining all are in percentages. If that is the case, there is a advantage you can assume. Suppose Nisha's salary I am assuming as 10,000. You assume 20,000, 30,000, anything, no problem. I'll correct it at the end, don't worry. If Nisha's salary I'm assuming as 10,000, let it be. Okay, how much she spent? 75% Nisha spent. So 7,500 gone. 75% spent means among 10,000, 7,500 gone. What is left is 2,500. Now read the next line carefully. Nisha kept 60% of the remaining as savings. So for now, what is remaining? 2,500 is remaining. Among the remaining 60%. Okay. So what is 10% of 2,500? 250. 60% means 6 into 250, which is 1,500 is gone. What is left over? 1,000. But see, listen. Here, everybody have a clear attention, please. I assumed Nisha's salary as 10,000. It may be correct, it may be 20,000 or 21,000 also. We don't know. But why I assume the value is calculation is easy. If I take X 75%, remaining 25%, what is 25% of 25%? That values and all bit clumsy will be there. If it is number, we can understand things better. I taken 10,000, finally I left with 1,000 rupees. But actually in question, what is the remaining amount is 2,100. So my assumption is wrong. I taken 10,000, okay, but I got 1,000. But here they given in question, the remaining amount given to sister at the end is how much? 2,100. This is given, right? Now, what is exact Nisha salary is? Correct salary. This is assumption. Now I have to correct my assumption. My assumption went wrong. Okay, I have to correct it. You're right. How to correct it? 10,000. Finally, I got 1,000. 21,000. Super. Nisha correct salary is 21,000. How many of you got that idea? Correct. You are understanding that 21,000. 10,000 means I got 1,000. But in question they given 2,100 means it should be 21. So correct salary of Nisha is, if they ask Nisha salary, answer 21,000. But I think they are asking Asha. Asha is 25% less than that of Nisha salary. So we have to remove 25% from that. Yeah. So Asha salary is 25% less than that. Means 75% of Nisha. You can write like that. Why 75% K? 25% less. 20% less means we'll write 80% of Nisha. Like that, so 75% means 75 by 100, which is 3 by 4. You can write 21,000. So 75 into 210. I think we don't have that option because it will come around 15,000 something. Okay, so but we don't have option related to that. 15,000 something. We go with none. But see the procedure first. So what is the value you got? You got any options among that? It's not surely 20,000. It's not correct. It's 19,450. Is it so? So what's the value you got? So 0, then okay, 5, then 10 plus 7, 17, 15750. You don't have option there. Okay, it's none. None of this. What the question? Sorry. Wait. What we got? This is 15,750s. Asha salary. Question they're asking Asha salary or what? Asha monthly expenditure means you want 60% of 15,750. 10% is 1575. So 60% will give 9450. Sorry, I didn't read the question. So if they ask Asha's salary means 15,750, but question is Asha monthly expenditure. Asha monthly expenditure. I think instead of this also in exam, I suggest you don't calculate 75% of n, 60% of 75% of n directly calculate. Don't waste your time by postponing the things here and there. So I thought of Asha's salary, but if you want Asha's spending amount, 60% of 75% of n, directly you attack that. Because calculating one again, calculating the other one will take more time. You do that calculations in single step, that will reduce the time. This is also next level question for sure. Those, yeah, this is I can say like final year guys who can. I'll challenge this question. You give it to final years also. Maybe out of 100, 20 to 30 only will solve. Out of 100, only 20 to 30 will solve after discussing this topic as well. Percentage topic complete also. Yeah, people don't get that idea that much easily. That's why this is next level question. Agreed. I said easy, moderate, difficult. You can put for first BTech students is in a difficult zone. Difficult level question only. But whereas this question, previous one, this is routine question actually in percentages, where many will confuse. A is 40% less than B, then B is what percentage more than A, means it's many will think about it's 40 only, but answer is 66 2 by 3%. And this question also easy level only. Okay, 40% of first number equal to 120% of second number. And what is that ratio? Yeah, this is actually a part of one of the question what we already solved. One of the similar question we solved already. That's also fine. And this question, yeah, we already discussed. Right? This is 3 is to 1. That's easy. This is also a bit easy level question only we can consider. Yeah, this question is difficult level. We can add on to that. Because that problem also there. We got 50,750, but still they're asking how much Asha spent. Next one, there are 5 consecutive odd numbers. Their average is what? I think in yesterday's session, I mentioned terms are in AP means what is the average? If terms are in AP, average is middle term. Among A, B, C, D, which is middle term? Consecutive odd numbers means is it AP or not? Is it arithmetic progression or not? Consecutive odd means 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 likewise. Okay, they are in arithmetic progression. When is an arithmetic progression? Average is middle term C. So C is not there in the options. It's A plus 4 only. First number A means second number is A plus 2. 11 plus 2 is 13. Next odd number. Next is A plus 4. Next is A plus 6. Next is A plus 8. Okay, actually you have to get C. Okay, that they given is A plus 4. When terms are in AP, average is middle term. If you have a doubt, take example 13579. Do average, you will get 5 only. 13579 you add what the value you are getting divided by 5. You just check it out, you will get definitely 5 only. What is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9? 25. 25 divided by 5? 5. That's middle term. 1357 and middle term is 5. If whenever you have a doubt, you take example and work on it. That's simple logic. Okay. Next, averages related question. The average of two sections A and B, okay, for both together 74. A section average marks is 77.5, B section is 70. So overall, see, two sections average marks in particular subject is a mathematics subject, two sections, average is 74. Section 1 alone 77.5, section 2 alone 70, but overall 74. Overall they given 74. So what is the ratio they are asking? Two ways to solve the question. One is you don't have an idea in this first method what I want to inject. But second one, you may get idea. There is one topic called mixtures and allegations. Mixtures, yeah, you are eating mixture. There are minimum two ingredients, right? Two or three they'll mix in the mixture. That's why we call the name mixture. Okay, for snacks we use mixtures, right? So here also I'm mixing two sections, A and B. A section average is 77.5. B section is 70, but overall 74. Now, my simple point is 74 close to 70 or 74 close to 77.5? 74 is close to 70 or 77.5? 77.5 means there are more people from section E. There are more people from section A compared to section B. So first one should be more than the second one. A and B eliminated. Okay, sir, still there are two options. Fine, no problem. The basic thing is take differences, put in opposite side. What's the difference here? 4. This difference put in opposite side. Difference should be always positive. 77.5 minus 74, which is 3.5. Ratio should be always integer, as it is 4 and 3.5. Multiply by 2, 8 and 7. So that's what. But still, many people are not able to understand why you are taking difference and putting in opposite side. Okay, this is actually mixtures and allegation concept. We did not yet started for you. You may not have the idea, but general, I'll just give the outline. Mixing value should be in the middle. A and B individual separately, mixing should be in the middle. You have to take difference and put in opposite side. Why, sir? If you here difference is 4, here difference is 3.5. If you keep in the same side 3.5 and 4, means it's logically wrong. 74 is close to 77.5, means there should be more from A. That's why you should put the difference in opposite side. Why taking difference and all? Maybe in the topic you will understand. I too agree, you may not get the idea right now. But second method, average, I will give the input. That one you will understand for sure. This is method 1 using wishes and allegation. But this will give the calculations bit faster way and you can answer the question very fastly. But next method, everybody can understand that. What is average of section A? 77.5. So sum of section A is 77.5. Number of people, let it be A. What is average of B? 70. 70 into B. Because you know sum equal to average into number of terms or number of persons. Right? Now, what is two sections combined? 74. So that is A section plus B section is equal to average is 74. Strength is A plus B. A section strength I am taking as A, B section strength as B. Now put that here 77.5A. This is 70B. Now you may understand why I am taking difference while doing that table. In that approach, why I take difference, you may understand now. What is this difference? 3.5. What is this side difference? 4. A by B is 4 and 3.5. Double it, 8 and 7. Double on both sides, 7A equal to 8B. A by B is nothing but 8 is to 7. A section with respect to B section is 8 is to 7. This everybody may understand. Things okay, but there is one concept, mixtures and allegations, you have to know. When you have to apply is whenever you are mixing two or three concepts or two or three terms. Okay, overall combined. There are some questions like male female employee, they'll mention employees male or female. Fine, again we need to do some exercise because afternoon having heavy lunch and people are not responding. So we'll do exercise, but now in a different style, standing and sitting we'll try. Instead of up and down, then only you will alert. Morning, light breakfast, so you hands is okay. Now you need to. I'm not getting the. I'll check with next question. Depends on that. We'll take the decision. Next one. Out of four numbers, the average of the first three is 15, and that of the last three is 16. If last number is 19, what is the first number? Right. How many numbers are there? Four numbers. Let it be A, B, C, D. So first three average is given. What is the sum? A plus B plus C is 15 into 3, 45. Super. Last three means which will come? B, C, D. What is B, C, D summation? 19 into 3. Right. Now taking difference. Okay, sorry, 16. I take it. Thanks for the correction. Now if we take difference, BC will get cancelled. D minus A equal to 3. 16 into 3 minus 15 into 3 means 1 into 3, 3 only. There is given last number is 19. You are supposed to find first number, which is 16. We have four numbers A, B, C, D. Sir, how can you write A plus B plus C equal to this one? As we discussed just now, sum equal to average into number of terms are how many numbers? So first three, last three they given. They given last number and you need to calculate first number. Average is also almost like equation solving only. This one equation form. Before question also if you observe we got some equations only. You need to just solve the equation. And always you believe what are the hard work you people do. Okay, going down in your life, definitely that will give results for sure. Whatever you are doing, okay, hard work related to your personal developments or maybe like your career and all, definitely that will show some results. May not be immediately, definitely in future. Now here average is 60, they are asking value of x. So what you can do, average is sum of terms by number of terms. So average is already 60. So how many terms are there? Here 4, 7, 8. Right? So divide by 8. I'll do into 8 here. Okay, 60 into 8, 480, right? So you pick the page in such a way, sum is comfortably you can calculate. Let's say 39 and 51, 90, easy. Give 1 to that 40, 40 plus 50, 90. Then you pick the term 75. Okay, 165 gone. So this one also completed 165. Then 48 and 63, which is triple one. 8. Okay, triple one along with this 69 will give 180. So the 69 also gone. This one gone, this one gone. So now we're left with 51 also done, right? So 83 and x. Right, this is 263. 263. So 8, I think 428 plus something should give 480. X must be equal to 52. We have to find the x value. There is one term left, x. So yes, simple sum equal to average into number of, everybody can do it easily. You do normal sum, it's all up to you. Okay, I just given you the idea. Different steps. And there is one more concept like sum of digits also still you can apply here, you know. Sum of digits still you can apply for this addition also. How sir? 39 sum of digits is 3 if you work. For 48 sum of digits is 3. Like adding all should give the right side 6 only. I'll just give the idea that one also, sir. Sum of digits, how it will work. 39, 48, 51. What is the other number? 63, 75, 83, x 69. This all should be equal to, what is sum of digits here? 6. Finally, I want 6 only, right? Now, 39 sum of digits is 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Always you keep this point in your mind. Whenever 9 is there, that is waste along with other combination. 59 sum of digit is 5. 69 sum of digits is 6. 19 sum of digit is 1. Whenever 9 is there along with a combination, that is taken as a dummy. 69 will give 6 only. And 48 is 4 plus 8, 12. But see what I will do. In 48, 1 will be given to 8, 9. 39 will become means 3. While doing sum of digits, 9 is always dummy. Or okay, 4 plus 8, 12, 1 plus 2, 3. It's all up to you. This is 6. Here, 9. Here, 3. Here it is 2. Right. Here already 6 you require. Here 1 6 is there. I'll put it 0. Sum of, there is one more x is there. Where I did which one? 4? 60? 64. Okay. 64 they given. Yeah, 60 into 8, 480. Correct, correct, correct. Good, good. 60 into 8, 480 means we have to get 3. Good. Okay, 3 is required. So now, fine, let it be that 6 also. 6 is there is some x as well. Now, okay, wait. 3 plus 6, 9. Whenever 9 is there, waste dummy. 9 waste. 3 plus 6, 9 waste. Now I have 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus x should give 3. Now, see the options. 51, 50, 53, 52. Which one is required there so that I want to get 3 only finally. If 52 I take, let us say if I take 52 in x. What is 5 plus 2? 7. 5 plus 7? 12. 1 plus 2 is satisfied. If I take 51, 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 plus 1, 2 only will come. But I want 3. There are n number of methods actually. But for addition, generally people will be comfortable doing normal one. I given this logic for multiplication in previous class. You can do it for addition also. Sum of digits concept you can apply. But by this time, as many numbers are there, few people feel okay, doing directly is better, sir. It's all up to you. From my end, I had to inject, okay, there are some concepts like this. And while doing, you can speed up. Whenever 9 is there, throw it out. 9 along with other combination, 92 or 29 you try, you'll get 2 only. My car number 9979. Finally, 7 only will come. 9s are dummy. Okay, you no need to calculate 9s when it is along with other combination. Directly. Here they are asking average of this numbers. Okay. So one thing you can do summation divided by 6. Okay. As none is there, we are worrying. If none is not there, again you can do this trick what we just now given. Okay. Option into 6 you can apply. This one we can add on. That still you can apply. The sum of digits quantum still you can apply actually. But for options you need to do into 6. Now, if you want to verify using the previous concept, whatever given, sum of digits concept, you can still apply and you can attempt this one. But for that, if you have to multiply into 6, then what is the sum of digits here? 7 plus 2 is 9 dummy. 2 into 6 12 means this is 3. 3. This is 9 dummy. 6 into 6 36 means 9. Okay. Here 4 into 6 24 means 6. Here it is 17. 8 into 6 40, 3 will come. Okay, now you can try sum of digits for that and you can also verify likewise. What do you got? Option E, 9. Okay. Here I have 9 waste. Here 9 plus 3, 12. I will get only 3. Here we have 5. Is it? Yeah. Here we have 8. Here 9 waste. Here 2. Again 8 plus 8, 16. Or 5 plus, yeah, fine. Anyhow, we don't have that choice. So 10, 18, 9. So sum of digits 9 required. Option E. No, sir, I want to check. You just check. I am opening calculator and I am doing all those calculation here also. Okay, you can check whether the answer is correct or not. 234. Yeah, even though what are the tricks we have, that will take time to evaluate all this. I'm just showing you that concept is worked out. Divided by 6 only, right? 294. That's what the option. Sum of digits concept you can apply using digits concept. Digit sum. 9 is dummy when there is a contribution with any other. Okay, you are along with any other you are taking. 9 can be considered as dummy. Now, how many ways parrot can be arranged? We discussed calculator, right? So now parrot, how many letters? 6 letters, 6 factorial, which is repeating. 6 factorial is 720 divided by 2, 360. You can look into the things, okay? The concepts are almost bit similar things they are asking. Topics, at least we can fix, they are asking similar topics. 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. No discussions. Yeah, now here what to be filled in those spaces so that that equation should be correct. So yeah, 16, 28, 4 and 9. When you think no, 20 divided by 4 is how much? 20 divided by 4, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. So I can fill here division, then addition, so option D. They put star, you need to put some symbols there so that equation should be correct. Sir, I'm not getting any idea. First of all, you use the options, right? In option A, equal is not there. If you want to verify it should be equal to something, then you can verify. Okay, in fact, sometimes what I can do, they make you the option like 20 divided by 4 equal to 9 minus 16. Okay, it's not equal. 16 minus 10 means it's okay. They may send to that side also. Equal they keep here. This one can be sent to that side. That also we need to verify. So here use the options best. Okay, if you are not getting any idea, you have only 4 options, put it there. Okay, you see that equation should be satisfied. This is mathematical coding. If you recall, we discussed mathematical coding, encoding and decoding. But in other competitive exams, they use the word mathematical operations. If you want to practice more questions in this way, you search the topic name mathematical operations, you will find more. I think this we discussed. 27. Now the result should become 0. What are the changes you need to do? So this is the question. You want to make the result as 0. Solving that equation using which rule? Bogma's rule. So first we need to do it in brackets, division, multiplication. There is no powers here. So sometimes to avoid confusion, they call Padmas also P, powers and exponents. What is O people are not understanding. That's why we redefined as Padma something. PDMAS. P is for power and exponent. Brackets after that you need to go for powers and exponents. There is no powers here. There is nothing like 35 square, 35 cube, nothing like so. First do brackets, then go for division. But see, if you solve it directly, you are not getting 0. You need to do some change. What change should be performed so that you have to get 0 as the answer for this equation? Option B. Okay, we'll check. What changes we need to do? Okay, so that the entire this should be finally leads to 0. Okay. See, generally, they maybe we have solved in previous session like plus c is defined as minus and all. They given the change, what is the equation value they are asking. But this is time taken question. They given options. We don't have any other go. We need to check the option. There is one case like when this is, there is one other way of solving generally where division is that should be divided like that. But here divided by 1 by 2 they given. That's the other problem. If all integers is there is one logic. Wherever I put division, I want integer means that should be divisible by that number. But here divided by 1 by 2 fraction is given. So that logic also we cannot apply. It's almost like option verification. And one of your friends suggested option B. We'll check once. Option B. Okay. We'll try with option B. So as per option B, 700 minus should be division. 70 will get. Division should be multiplication. Then multiplication should be changed as addition. Addition is changed as subtraction. Yeah. So first we will have to do division. 70 divided by 10. We got 70. 70 then multiply with 1 by 2 will give 35. So 35 plus 35 minus 70 will obviously will give 0. So option B is recommended. We have to go with option B. What are the changes we need to do so that final result should be 0? I'll share some new set of questions also which is not covered. We'll try to cover max to max. Still there are a lot to be covered. If anything goes wrong, we'll share those things. And here dictionary order, as per the dictionary order, which will come on third place. Put these options in dictionary order, which will come third place, which will be last, which will be first, like that they'll ask. Put that in dictionary order. All are starting with KN, remove that KN. This is first one, I is second one, O, B is third one, OW is fourth one. They are asking third one. You have to put that in dictionary order. Okay, as Kn is common in every term, I removed Kn. Remaining we can focus A, after that I, after that O. With O there are two things, OB and OW. We go with OB first, then OW next. Dictionary order. Okay, this is also there in topic called alphabet test. There is one topic in reasoning, alphabet test. Every SSC, Staff Selection Commission jobs, they are asking alphabet test related questions. Seating arrangements. 5 persons are sitting in a row facing north such that D is on the left of C and B is on the right of E. A is on the right of C, B is on the left of B. If E occupies a corner position, okay, E is at the corner. Corner means it can be left end or right end. There is a term called B is on the right of E. So E cannot be right end. B is on the right of E means E cannot be in the right end. E is at the left end. They said E occupy a corner position. Means there is a chance E left end or E is at right end. But how this second one is eliminated is there is someone who is right of E. Sorry. Yeah, B is on right of E. Means E cannot be the right end. E should be in the left end. Okay. B is on the right of E, B is on the left of D. Okay, I'll first use those things. So B is on the right of E, B is on the left of D, D is on left of C, A is on the right of C. I think you get the things. B is on the E, B is on right of E, B is left of D, and C is on to the left of D is on to the left of C, and A is on the right of C. This is the arrangement. Who is sitting in the center is D. See, generally left means it can be immediate left or second left or third left. Left means not meaning immediate left. It may be immediate left or second left or third left. Okay, but while seeing this whole sentence mapping, it's considered like immediate left only. It can be immediate left, not 100% sure. Okay, A is left of B means yeah, for that girl, this all people are left only. Okay, it may be immediate left or second left or third left. So left, they said it can be immediate or not. That decides with the arrangement. We had to do one by one mapping. Then we came to know D is in the center. Seating arrangement related question this is. Yeah. Blood relations. If Nina says Anita's father Raman is the only son of my father-in-law Mahipal, how is Bindu, who is the sister of Anita, related to Mahipal? Nina says Anita's father Raman is the only son of my father-in-law Mahipal. First of all, father-in-law means so spouse, father, your wife father, your husband father, for you husband, okay, agreed. Husband father is father-in-law. Okay, wife father or husband father, father-in-law. Husband mother is mother-in-law. Spouse, okay, mother is mother-in-law. Spouse father is father-in-law. Spouse brother, brother-in-law. Spouse sister is called sister-in-law. All those things, right? So now Nina says Anita's father. Here my means who is that my relates to? Nina. Okay. So Nina says Anita's father. Anita, father Raman is the only son of. Okay, one moment. I need some space there. Yeah. Anita, father Raman is the only son of Nina, father-in-law Mahipal. So for Mahipal, Raman is the only son. How Mahipal related to Nina is father-in-law. Only son means definitely Raman is the husband of Nina. Nina, father-in-law, only son is Raman. Okay, fine. Now, Bindu, who is the sister of Anita, is how related to Mahipal? Is nothing but granddaughter. Granddaughter. Raman father Mahipal, Nina father-in-law Mahipal, and Raman is the only son of Mahipal. That conveys that Raman is the husband of Nina. Okay, Bindu and Anita are daughters of Raman and Nina. So Bindu is granddaughter of Mahipal, or Mahipal is grandfather of Bindu and Anita. So all those will come into picture. Blood relation, you can see every set there are questions. After a lot of time, we are back to directions. I think this question discussed, it seems. No problem. 8 kilometers north. Okay. North. Then right turn means east. Then left means again north. Finally, he take right turn means east. So definitely northeast will come. We discussed same question. I remembered it. Root of 13 square plus 14 square we got. Northeast. Same question already covered. It's northeast. Directions related. Now this question, listen. You need some verbal coming to picture here. Using these letters only once. Listen. Using these letters only once. This is purely related to verbal. How many meaningful English words can be created? Tips. Okay. Split, no. Pits, P-I-T-S. Okay. Spit. SPIT. Okay. No, all letters you have to use right. Made with the letters. Each used only once. We cannot. STIP. Stip. Is there? You don't have 4. Okay, we may go with none also. But check. Okay, it's not like any. See, if it is related to permutations, means I can say 4 factorial, 24 and all. But in that there is no meaningful words also. Here, meaningful. That should be English word. It should be in the dictionary fact. So you check, is it stip available? Is it tips? This is related to English purely. So stip, I think stip is there. No, stipend is there, not stip it seems. I think, yeah, stip is a doubt for me. Spite is there, yeah, spite is there. So that's, speed is there. We're speeding here and there. Pits, yeah, we know. Tips you have. These 3 are there. Stip, I have a doubt. You check, okay, later. Okay, it's a bit related to verbal also. Spit, okay, spits, tips available. We need to use mating with the letters. All letters we need to use only once. Don't use 2 times and 3 times. Now I think this is related to directions, but new question. Starting from a point P, see this long question also, how fast we are able to solve using the method what we learned. From M, we started south 18 meters. Then turning left side, from south left side means, left side means anti-clockwise. East will come, 25 east. Again left side they said, for east left side means north, superb. Here 18 south, 18 north cancelled. South and north opposite right. Then from north again left side, west 35 west. Then you reach your point P. West and east are opposite. You will get 10 west, option B. We discussed this method already. But sir, from south how you are writing east? From east how you are writing north? From north how you are writing west? I already mentioned left means they use all the words left only. Left means we are going anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise we have to go. Right means clockwise. Now again one more directions. But this is good question they given. Mohit in his evening walking, traveling towards the sun. So instead of giving west, they added one line extra. Okay, evening, walking towards the sun means we are going west. So 3 west, then you are going left, my dear. From west, left means south. South, west clockwise is north, anti-clockwise is south. Left means we have to get south. Now right. Right means again back to west. 3 west. Again right. North. So 2 north, 2 south out, 6 west. But listen. They're asking. I said this question in yesterday class also. In which direction he is walking now? Question is in which direction he is walking now? Last one. From starting point he is 6 west, I know. But the question is not from starting point. In which direction he is walking now? Read the question. From starting point he is 6 kilometers west. But the question is in which direction Mohit walking now? Means last one you need to pick. This question related to ranking concept. In previous sessions I said ranking, but that question was solved in bit easy way. But here that logic is going to help you. See, 37 girls are standing in a row facing the building. X is one among them, and X place is what? 15th from left end. Obviously, as total number of people are 37, it's 23rd from right side, not 22nd. 23rd from right end. This is given, but how you know 23rd from right side, sir? How can you decide that? Okay, that way, that is what ranking concept is all about. Okay, among the total people in a row, your position, if I know from left end, I can decide from right end. Or else I know some certain person from left end and right end, then I can say how many people in that row also. In a row, I know one person from left hand position and right hand position. Then we can decide total number of people in that row as well. I'm just checking any row is filled to give the example, but no row is fully there. Every row, one seats are empty. Okay, fine. Okay, that row if we go, I think yeah, fifth row. If you see that middle person, so you are from left side, which position you are? From your left hand, you are only one. You please stand, no issues. You are from left hand, which position? What is your position from left hand? Fifth. From your right hand? Fifth. But total people in the row? Total people in this row, in your row, 9, not 10. That's what you observe. She is fifth from right hand, fifth from the left hand, but total is 9. 5 plus 5 minus 1 you have to do. Why minus 1 is, I counted her from left side and right side both. Fifth from right side, she is already counted from right side. Again, we are saying fifth from the left side. She is counted double time. You have to remove one time, minus 1. So if I know from right hand and left hand, then total is left plus right minus 1. I know total here is 37. This is already given 15. What should be the other thing? Adding those to minus 1 should be 37. Is nothing but 23rd. Or else I'll simply give the example like A, B, C, D, E, F. Now let me know D is which position from left hand? This is left hand. Okay. For you also this is left hand only. Yeah, obviously. For you this is right hand. Now D position from left side is fourth left hand. And D from right side is third right. But total number of letters there in the row is 6 because 4 plus 3 minus 1. So that's what, okay, we discussed just now. Adding the position from left hand plus right hand minus 1. If they given this simple, okay, but they added one more extra point there. She shifted 6 places to the right. When I go towards the right side, I am near to right hand or left hand? Near to right hand. So 23 minus 6 is your answer. See, X is 15 from left side, 23rd from right side. Okay, if the question is which position is X from right side means 23rd, but they added one extra point. She is shifted 6 places to the right. When I'm going to the right, I'm near to the right end. Means my position for right hand should decrease. Right now I'm in 23rd. I'm going 6 places to the right means I'm close to right end. That value should decrease 23 minus 6. If suppose I'm taking 6 places to the right, what is the position from left hand means 15 plus 6. When I'm going to the right, I'm far away from the left hand. Then I have to add 15 plus 6. That's what concept is required. Y plus 6, y minus 6, please understand. Okay, I'm 23rd from right side. If I'm going to the right side, okay, I'm near to that, so my value should decrease. 23 minus 6. But if I'm going to the right, they're asking from left hand means, okay, when I'm going to right, I'm far away from the left hand if keep going to the right. So I should do 15 plus 6, 21. That's why D option 21 is also given. 15 plus 6, 21 is given because of that. What we do generally, if we don't know answer, we'll do 15 plus 6, 15 minus 6 available or not. 20, what is the other number? Okay, so plus 6 minus 6, we do that one only. That's what, when we don't know answer, we'll do some mathematical calculations. They also give according to that. Right, so see, this is 17th from right hand after the position they shifted. Okay, initially 23rd from right. This is ranking concept, good question. If you want to learn more basics related to ranking, already cubes and dice, along with ranking, there is a video you can go through. And I think this question you people can solve. Okay, you can do it right because there are some new questions to be discussed. I hope this can be handled from your end. We can solve, right? Okay. Later you do it. Okay, you know this method, you can solve it. I'm just skipping and moving for next. Answer. Okay, question. Okay. If you want to, yeah, anyhow that video will be shared, you can see the right. Fine. So anyhow that's in proper order. 26 plus 4, 30 only here. 30. Okay, let's see about the next one. 4 persons A, B, C, D consisting of two married couples are in a group. Both the women are shorter than their respective husbands. A is the tallest among the four. So A is not the woman, obviously. So C is taller than B. D is B's brother. Then which of the following is not correct? Good question it is. There are four people A, B, C, D, two married couples is there. And clearly they mention two married couples, it may be A and B, C and D, or A and C, B and D, or A and D, B and C also. There are many possibilities. Who is that couple we need to understand? D is B's. There is one statement D is B's brother. So D is B's brother. So D married to someone, B married to someone. Okay, fine. D is male, so D must be taller than. Here maybe A and C. Here also it will be A and C. That will decide. That will decide. And in fact, what they given, who is the tallest among all? A is the tallest among all means A must be male. Okay, so A male means here not possible. Male and male, no. So C, fine. Here A, see that two statements helping to decide all. Okay, D is B's brother, D is male gender, A is the tallest among all. They said, okay, husband is taller than the wife, their respective wives and all they clearly mentioned. So, and A is the tallest means definitely A should be the male person. So, A and B married, C and D married, this is what, okay. And they given statements like C is taller than D, A is B's husband, which is not correct, they are asking. A is B's husband, is it correct? A is B's husband. Correct only. Next, B is the shortest among the four. We will see. All four have family ties. Okay, that we don't know. Fine. Means heights are same. Let's see. C is taller than B. They given C is taller than B. A is the tallest. C is taller than B. Now D should be taller than C for sure. ADCB is the order. A is the tallest. They given the question C is taller than B. And C and D are married couples. Obviously D must be taller than C. And I cannot go beyond AD as A is the tallest. This is the order. They said C is taller than D. Is it? False. So that's what they're asking. Not correct. C is taller than D. B is shortest among the four is one of the option. Yes, B is shortest among the four. That's all okay. But this is wrong. One is C is taller than D is wrong. Okay, as C and D are married couple, that clearly indicates D is taller than C. That D is a male, C is female. So as per the question. Done. Next, here a question related to blood relation. Pointing to a photograph in a family photo, Ram said to his son that he is the father of the mother of your sister. How is the man pointed in the photograph is related to not Ram, Ram's son. Okay. Ram said to his son. Ram said to his son. Okay. He is the father of the mother of your sister. When there is of, you need to read it from back to front. Here, your means Ram, son. Ram, son. To whom he is saying? Son. So, your, my means Ram will come. Statement is said by Ram, but giving statement to son. So here your means Ram son. Ram son sister means Ram daughter. Ram daughter mother father. So it's the mother of your sister father. Okay. Ram son. Okay. Ram said to Ram's son, pointing to a photograph in a family photo. One moment, one moment. Pointing to a photograph in a family photo. Photograph also. Three people are there. Ram, Ramson, photograph. Here your is not Ram. Well, wait, your. Okay, so he is. He means that photograph person. Here he means person in photograph. Here three things are there. Ram, Ramson and photograph guy. So the person in photograph guy is Ram, son, sister, mother, father. Okay, so how is Ram, son related to a photographer is what the question, right? So Ram, son, sister. Ram, son, sister, mother, father. Mother, father. This person is photograph guy. This person is photograph guy, and this person is Ram's son. Now question is, how is Ram's son related to photographer means grandson, but photograph person related to Ram's son is mother, father, maternal grandfather. How is the man pointed in the photograph? So this guy is grandfather to maternal grandfather, that too from mother side. When there is a word of is given, you need to read from back to front. This is what the problem. So your sister, mother, father. That photograph person is your sister, mother, father. Your means here Ram son. He is telling to Ram son. So Ram son, sister, mother, father is nothing but photograph guy. Coding and decoding. Clerk, all these are capital letters. You see this? What's there? What's the logic? Plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3. Maybe continue, minus 3 will come. So C next letter is D, L before letter is K, E plus 2 will be G, R minus 2 is B, K plus 3 is N. Apply plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, plus 3, then minus 3 still going on. Done? Dice concept, okay, dice concept, cubes and dice concept. Focus please, as it is a new one, focus here. There are no discussions please. If there is any discussions, your timer will extend. So anyhow, buses will be there up to 4:30 here. We can stop up to 4:45 also. It's all up to you. That's what we said. Okay, it's all up to you. Okay. Now see the question. One opposite number is what? See, in this room also, listen. We have three opposite pages. Okay, in this room you see, your front and back is opposite. Your left and your top one. Like that in dice also we have 3 opposite pairs will be there. 3 opposite pairs. Right? Now listen. In the question they are asking one opposite is what? Right? Okay. Here if you observe this second diagram, one adjacent is what? Adjacent. 5, 1, 2. So 2 cannot be opposite. One adjacent is 5, 1, 2. Here one adjacent is 5, 1, 6. So 6 cannot be opposite. It can be 3 or 4. Opposite we want. So if you see the diagram, 1, 5, 2 means 1, 5, 2 are adjacents. They are connected. One is adjacent to 5 in the second diagram. One is adjacent to 2. Okay, one is adjacent to 5. One is adjacent to 6 and all. That's you can observe clearly. Right. Yeah, answer 4. Because there is, okay, answer 4 is correct. Super. Listen, okay, with this, there is a chance next slot can be 3 or 4. I to agree in this method. So there are 3 methods to solve this concept. Okay, method 1 is finding adjacent sides. Now let me know, for this front side, which sides are adjacent? For your front, what is adjacent? Top is adjacent connected to that front side. Bottom connected to the front side. Your left connected. Your right connected. So how many adjacent sides? 4. For any side, 4 adjacent sides is there. One opposite side is there. Here, first we will write one adjacent sides. If I got all 4, remaining is the opposite. But here I am not able to find all 4. I got 5, 6, 2. Other adjacent side I didn't get. Okay, if I get leftover one is the answer I can say. But I am in dilemma here, it can be 3 or 4. As per method 1 approach. There is another method. If 2 common sides are common, if you see 3 and 4, in 3 and 4 which is common? 3 and 4 diagrams. How you got 3 and 4, you know? You taken a die, throw it. You saw 3 sides only. At a time you can see 3. You people are seeing front side, you are not able to see back side now. When you see down, you cannot see up. When you see front side of the building, you cannot see back side. When you see top of the building, you cannot see bottom. So only 3 maximum you can see, right? And yeah, this is how you got the diagrams 1, 2, 3, 4 is you taken a die, okay, throwing 4 times. Here they said 4 different dice. Instead consider only one die is taken, you thrown, the numbers displayed are 2, 4, 5. Now same die you thrown again, 1, 5, 2. Same die you thrown again, 1, 5, 6. Again you thrown it, 6, 5, 4. Like that you got the outcomes. Okay. Now last 2 diagrams if you observe, what are the common things? 5, 1. What is left over? That must be opposite. 1 and 4 are opposite. Can anyone say second and third diagram? What's your outcome? Second and third? 2 and 6. Because in second and third, if you observe what is common? 1 and 5 are common. So 2 opposite is 6. So you came to know 2 opposite 6. And you know 1 opposite 4. What is the remaining numbers? 3 and 5, they must be opposite. Okay, 3 and 5 must be opposite. Or else you see the first 2 diagrams. First 2 diagrams, what is common? 2 and 5 are common. Other one is 1 and 4 must be opposite. You got with last 2, 1 and 4 opposite. With first 2 also you got, okay. So 1 and 4 are opposite. There is one more method actually, but this method, if you are okay, then sufficient, no issues. Okay, if you just check it out here, first you calculate that opposite slots and all, okay, opposites like adjacents for each one. Suppose they ask 2 opposite means, okay, first write the adjacents for that. If all 4 adjacents completed, then other one is the answer. Related to dice concept, 20 minutes video is available in the channel, you go through. There are 3 methods you can learn from the dice concept. We said in previous session related to visual reasoning. I think those who taken the mock test, you already find a couple of questions related to reasoning. And here, what is this question, you know? Okay, by joining those shapes, which one will come among options? It cannot be D because the small shape is not here. Almost it looks like all are equal shapes. Except this one, almost it looks like equal shapes. Here only 3 pieces, B, no. D small piece, no. C, this is bigger one. That much bigger is not there. Almost all 4 are similar here. A is correct. The visual reasoning, that's what. By visualization, by seeing, you can do. It's not like on paper work and all. It's like by visualization, we have to work on. Excellent. Option A is correct. Image based reasoning, or else called as visual reasoning. Now, you want to complete the diagram. You can see in my video 13 subtopics, one among that is pattern completion. This is pattern completion concept. This is pattern completion concept. Previous one is, I'll 1 minute. Previous one, assembling concept. Assembling or grouping. You are grouping to form certain shape. This is comes under assembling or grouping. Okay. And this will comes under pattern completion. So to complete this, as it is like left side, I need one line here, 2 horizontal lines, and 1 line should be like this. So it's available in A shape. Yeah, left side no. This line is not required, so that's wrong in C and D. Yeah, this line should come and this is joined here, it's wrong. So best suitable is A. In fact, in A also there is a mistake that horizontal line should be in the middle. But out of the options, the best suitable is A. Best suitable. Right. They given the same questions you can try in mock test. That's what we are requesting. This is all mock test questions. Those who are done, you may got idea. This we already discussed in previous. D. Spotting out embedded figure. The topic name is spotting out embedded figure. Spotting out embedded figure. Topic name. Now this is paper cutting, paper folding. Paper cutting and folding. Easy one only, no issues. And if you want to practice more, okay, given around 20 plus examples in that channel video you can go through. But see the simple logic, what you have to do, listen, this last one cutting is there. Yeah, first thing, okay, listen in question what they did. They'll fold as per the directions, they'll cut. Your job is now, you unfold in the similar way. Whatever the way you folded, unfold it in the similar way, then how the paper will look is what the scenario. First thing you check here is, listen everybody, focus here. This corner part, this part is there, right? In every option you draw that shape, this should be there. One triangle and it's not there in C option. Okay, it's there in A but not in C. This is above middle one, right? These two circles diagonally above middle one. Okay, but this is exactly in the diagonal, not acceptable. It can be B or D. Wait, okay, if you go for this part, yeah, D also wrong because where if you take half of this, I think yeah, might be fine. So we'll open opposite. This should come. Yeah, fine. Now we'll check with the diagram approach. Is it dilemma is between B and D? We decided. Okay, like see if you take this area, this part in all options. If this part if you identify. So if you take this part here, problem is this. If I take this part, okay, here bit okay. You can observe that's available here also. This part satisfied. This is no way correct, and this part also half the way you have to come. Now generally if you open, what will happen? Here triangle, the triangle will be here. Okay, here two circles, the two circles will be here. Now listen. Among B and D, main observation required is Top left corner, what is the top left corner? Here, here. Now this is folded, right? This part, it will come up to here. Means these two circles will come here. While after folding, you cut this part, right? So this circle will go, not triangle. This you have to unfold here. That paper will cover up to this area. Here also it will cover. These two circles will jump here. Two more in this side, two more in this side. So it's option B, not D. Observe that. The first, okay, filtered two options, good. Then among B and D, okay, then if you have a clear look, we need that circles. Paper cutting, paper folding easy only. Because see, that part will be up to here. The one which you folded, that will cover up to here. So here two circles, here two will be there. Here two and here two will be there. So, and here triangle, here triangle. Okay, that's what the situation you can observe in B. Paper cutting, paper folding. You need to work on those concepts. Now again, you got cubes and dice, but problem, yeah, there is some symbol required. What's the question those who taken the test? Which symbol they asked? Here there is some symbol that is missed in the question. Fine, I will calculate all the pairs. What's there? We have how many pairs? 3 pairs, 3 opposite pairs. Okay, cool. Now try. If you see first two, what is common? Plus and equal. So obviously, into marker, triangular, opposite. Excellent. And one more point I just missed in previous dice question. 1 minute. Okay, we said how many opposite pairs here? 2 and 6, 1 and 4. How many opposite pairs I said? 3. I given only 2. What is the leftover numbers? That must be opposite. There is no choice, right? When 3 opposite pairs we said, we fixed it to 2. Remaining 2 numbers must be opposite. So when you decide 2, third will automatically will decide. Among 6, we know 3 opposite pairs. You decided 2 opposite pairs. Automatically remaining to this point is missed. Please add that. 3 and 5 are opposite. That may be helpful here also while solving. Yeah. Next one. Compare second and fourth. Second and fourth, which is common? Triangle equal common. So plus and circular opposite. So what is left over? Equal and square. Yeah, this must be. Whatever they ask, I think now no worries. All opposite pairs we got. No, sir, this is bit difficulty. The other method, what I said is, if they ask plus opposite, in first diagram, what is adjacent for plus? In first diagram, into mark, multiplication symbol, equal. In second one, what is the adjacent for plus? Equal already written. Triangle. Next one, what is the adjacent? Square and triangle, square. Now, 4 adjacent sides came. Whatever left over must be? Circle must be opposite. So that's why you got plus and circular opposite. Different way of solving. Okay, what are they asking? First to try to fill their adjacent sides. If 4 are filled, automatically what are the other one left must be opposite to that. Sir, I'm not able to fill all 4 slots. Then use this another trick like this. 2 common symbols in any combination. Okay, other one left over is opposite pair. There is one more method actually. There is one more method you can use. I'll let you know the third method. Okay, for third method, in 2 diagrams, you need 1 common symbol minimum. Then only you can apply. In third and fourth, is there any common side? What is the common symbol? Triangle. Right? Focus. I'm giving third method also. This third method beauty is it will give 3 opposite pairs directly. But for third one common side. For second method, 2 common sides required. For third method, 1 common side. I am taking third and fourth diagram. In third diagram, fourth diagram, you people given me that triangle is the common. Now, clockwise triangle, which symbols will come from clockwise? Plus and square. Okay, plus square. Here, clockwise, what will come after triangle? Circle, equal. This is opposite, this is opposite. Complete. Pleasant, you see, pleasant circle opposite. Here, square and equal opposite. When two decided, third pair automatically we can decide. When you know two opposite pairs, what or left or other one we should attach with triangle. For triangle we should attach. But to apply this third method, one common side, from that take both clockwise. One clock, one anti-clockwise, don't take. Take both anti-clockwise also okay. Take both anti-clockwise from that shape. Common side, from that you have to note. All anti-clockwise like this. So that's all. But listen, the questions while designing, they are focusing in method 1. Means 4 adjacent sides, 1 opposite side. First to try that. If it fails, then only go for other. Because sometimes if you see few questions, third method failed or some wrong in the question. While designing, people are having only method 1. Everyone don't know what is all these 3 methods. Many people know only method 1. But actually, if question is correct, all 3 methods should work. But there are some questions which they design in wrong way, but they keep method 1. First, always try method 1. If method 1 fail, you go with 3 or 2, it's up to you. Some questions we don't have third method, 2 common symbols required. If we don't have 2 common, only 1 common, apply this one. 2 common sides method 2 will be helpful. If you want to revise, yes, this is what exactly I explained in that video also. You can check those things later. And here again, paper folding, paper cutting. This is there when you, this is only this quarter part, right? Okay, if you take this quarter part, yeah, you may be turning that, you see that page may be turned out. I think B is the suitable because circle shape is there, right? So circle shape overall will come. No, our outline, the dotted lines are only the paper is circle shape or not. They'll mention square or circle. One moment. A piece of paper, they didn't mention that. Generally, they'll mention a piece of paper, square, a transparent square sheet, transparent circle sheet. That to mention circular triangle. Okay, but we are in a dilemma with B and D. C. B and D only right. So B is suitable. We're taking that paper is a folded one. Well, B and D among that only we have an issue. Because outside shape, is it maintained or not? So when you unfold, this will be extra and this will be. When you unfold first time, this is what happened. Next, if you unfold, yeah, this side, both will come. And this, yeah, fine. That's we'll get it like shape similar to B and D, but that paper is in circle shape. So whether circle to be considered, yeah. The dot lines are not, there is a no clarity in that. Dotted, right? One moment. Okay, what the question they given? Punched. Yeah, circle is there. Circle will be there. For sure, option B. Because see, if there is no circle paper, paper not in circle shape, it is cutting some part of the paper. The shape you just, okay, we have a doubt, we'll go with the common sense. We have a paper, okay, in that we are cutting a piece, right? So that hole will be a part of the paper. So paper is in circle, that what are the cutting should be a part of that. It's not D only. Okay, if they're asking what part is cut, you taking that separately is a different case. The part which is cut will come like D, but this option B is correct. B perfectly correct, that circle shape required. Hidden diagram embedded figure, spotting out embedded figure. In which diagram this is available? In D perfectly available, super. Reminding you check once that is available in D. D for Delhi. Position, center also, some gap from the bottom, some gap from the top, right and left, all exactly suitable in D option you can check. So we can pick from here. Among all, D is suitable. Option B also. Wait, we'll check. Okay, then how you go up? That's the problem. You see that in the middle, I want to get down and I want to go up also. Down is there, up is not there. You need to check all those points. See this next one. In an examination, Arun scored 35 marks less than Rahul. Rahul scored 55 more than Monica. Rohit scored 85 marks, which is 10 marks more than. So Rohit is 85, which is 10 more than Monica. So Monica is how much? 75. From that Rahul will be obtained. Rahul is 55 more than. From that Arun you can find. Everything is linked. Okay, you know Rohit is 85 here. Rohit, I am writing RO. Rohit is 85. Rohit is 10 more than Monica. So Monica will be 75. And they given Rahul is 55 more than Monica. So Rahul will be 130. Arun is 35 less than Rahul. Arun is 35 less than Rahul. Will get 95. Okay. Still, question is not completed. Raju scored 61 marks less than the maximum marks of the test. What approximate percentage of marks did Raju score in the examination? If he got 44 marks more than Arun, okay, Raju is 44 more than Arun. So Raju is 44 more than Arun. Means how much is that? 139. Listen, that 139 is 61 marks less than the maximum. They said Rahul got 60. Sorry, that is not Rahul. That guy is Raju. Okay, RJ. Fine. So Raju got 61 marks less than maximum marks. So maximum marks are 200. Now they're asking percentage. Raju got 139 out of 200, which is 69.5%. How to calculate percentage? You got 139 marks out of 200 means 139 out of 200 into 100, which is approximately 70. They're asking approximate percentage. You can go with 70. But when they use the word approximate, they should not give none of this actually. But approximately 70 because Raju got 139, okay, out of maximum 200 into 100, approximately 70%, exactly 69.5. In question they ask the word approximate, you can go with 70, no issue. They're asking the word approximate percentage, you can go with 70. They linked one by one. A lot of people skip this question thinking the question is lengthy. Okay, but you can do. That's what we start. You have to start. You need to save time in reasoning and try to use it for quant because in quant they're giving some bit lengthy questions like this. In reasoning, if you observe that image-based reasoning questions, remaining all also bit easy only, time saving only, coding and decoding and all. The time you please utilize and spend in quant concepts because a lot of questions we observed that quant percentages related voters questions are a bit lengthy. Okay, there we need extra time. That extra 10 minutes allocate for quant only. 25 questions from each, total 60. Take okay around 35 minutes for quant, 25 only for reasoning. Okay, a lot of people are skipping quant. Every mark is important. They want only top 200 finally means in first round all over India they may filter only 1000 people because every round they'll do divide by 2 likewise you can consider. 1000 or hardly 2000 they'll do. Then divide by 3 every next round they'll divide by 2 the shortlist English after. Then after coding divide by 2 after interview divide by 2 like that. They may have some factor in their mind. Hardly they don't go for 2000 or 3000 only round 1 shortlist. Means every mark is important. So how they shortlist top 2000. Top 2000 only they will go. So where in top 2000 or not, you have to decide in the entire India. So you filter, everything is important, so please focus. After 11 years, Sahil's age will be 46. What is Sahil's present age? 35. 35. After 11 years, 46. Okay, right now 35. Sunny's age is today 7 years more than Shahil. So Sunny age is 42. 42. Okay, Sunny age. Now Sumit age and Sunny age. Sunny, 42. So 7 related to 42 means what factor? Multiplied by 6. So this also multiplied by 6. Sumit will be obtained. This is Sunny. So Sumit will be into 6, which is 30. And listen, Sumit present age is 30. Okay, 30 available in the options, but they're asking 6 years before, which is 20. Problem is that in hurry, definitely we may mark 30. Okay, but we have to go with 24. That last few seconds, you need to read the question what they are asking. Okay, we may read up to that, we may calculate and we see only half of the part. That's why mark test and all is required. Where you are doing wrong, you can rectify those things. Okay. 24 is the answer. See the next one. I hope you are done with this. See the next one related to percentages. This is quant question only. Next one also quant. In a library, 20% of the books are Hindi. 50% of the remaining, don't say 50% of total. Whatever is remaining among that, 50% is English. Again important, 30% of the remaining are French. All are in percentages except one value. Okay, here also listen, better to go with assumption. I'll take total books in the library, I don't know. I'll take total equal to 1000, no problem. We'll give the factor. Leftover is 6300, but I'm taking 1000 only. We'll relate. Our assumption may be wrong, we'll relate it later. First take, okay, total is 1000, let it be. Assume as 1000. Okay. Now 20% means 2200 goes to Hindi. What is left over? 50% of that is English. Means 400 gone. What is left now? Among the 30% gone to French. For 40, 10% is how much? For 400, 10% is 40. 30% is 120. So 120 allocated to French. 120 allocated to French. Then what is left finally? Out of 400, 120 gone. Still 280 is there. But in question they given it is 6300. I have to relate these two. How 280 related to 6300? Then the same factor I can apply here. 1000 into something. Right, see, is it 10 times? 10 times how much you got? 2800 only. So if sir I am not getting directly that factor, don't worry. Simple. 6300 you want. I have 280. 0 0 cancel. 7 4 times 7 90 times. Means 45 divided by 2 or 22.5 is the factor. Okay, I want to multiply with 22.5. Okay, so 1000 into 22.5 will give option A 22,000. How I know 22.5 is I know what to be obtained. I got something, I need to correct it. 1000 is not the total. I assumed for easy calculations. I can take total is T. Okay, and you can. I'll give another method also. Some people are okay finding difficult this one. I'll give another method also. Single line we can complete. Now listen. The other method is let's consider total is T. Initially, how much gone? 20% gone means 80% only available. Then how much gone? Every time 100%, 100% you can take. 20 gone, 80. Now again 100 is there. Among that 50 gone means 50. Again 100 is there. Among that how much gone? 30 gone means 70. This they given as 6,300. You calculate T. 80% means 80 divided by 100. 50% means half. 70% means 70 divided by 100. This should be equal to 6,300. So this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 cancel. This is 2 ones, 2 fours. Okay, and 2790 times. You can see this is 90 into 100. This is in fact 25 also we can keep. One more percentage anywhere missed. Yeah, this is 900 anyway. Yeah, 9,000 into 25. Anywhere, I think, yeah, 10 here we added extra. 900 times. This is another method. Method 2, I given method 1 using assumption concept. As we don't know the total, we assumed as 1000. We proceeded. The second method, equation solving, but you have to understand why 80% first one? Why first 80%? 20% is allocated to Hindi. Next, why 50%? 50% is allocated English, leftover is 50. Next, why 70? 30% allocated to French, leftover is 70%. Okay, they 6,000 is leftover. So I am in each one, what is left part I am taking. So finally, if you solve, we got 22,500. Okay, or else other method is this. If you feel difficult in that equation, assume something as total and keep proceeding with things. Now here, average monthly expenditure for the first 4 months is 2,750. Next 3 months is 2,940. For the last 5 months is 3,130. If the family saves 5,330, what is the monthly income? My dear friend, okay, income is saving plus expenses, right? So that's the logic required. Income is what are the income you got or you spend, and remaining is considered as a savings. Now, this is regarding the entire year. How many months entire year? 12 months. The first 4 months. Next 3 months. Next 5 months. Entire year completed. 1 year completed, right? Now, I have to know first of all what is the average income of entire year. Then divided by 12 will give anyhow monthly income. You calculate for entire year, divide by 12 give monthly income. So here, okay, expenses of first 4 months, next 3 months, last 5 months is there. First I have to do 2,750 to calculate expenses. 2,750 into 4. Why into 4? 4 months. Next one, 2,940 into 3 because 3 months. Superb. Next one, 3,130 into 5. This will give total expenses in year, 1 year. Okay. They said 5,330 is the savings throughout the year plus 5,330. This is what your income, total income. You want per month means what is the question? Average monthly income divided by 12. At the end, after all this adding, we have to divide by 12. You just try to think about why we are dividing by 12, why that is required. You just check it out. Because, okay, total income, okay, average monthly income. Income is expenses plus saving. And after all this, you have to divide by 12. This is annual income. I better is that. You got annual income. We can say entire year income. Okay, monthly income is divided by 12. Monthly income is annual income divided by 12. Done. In quant, okay, you are learning some new points. Okay, you try to revise. We are sharing the video by the end of the day. Okay, within 1 or 2 hours. So please go through that and complete. Okay, to revise those quant concepts. Reasoning, I believe that okay, majority of the things are completed and you can revise those easily. But main related to quant, you just check it out once again. 25 questions from quant, 25 from reasoning, 50 questions, 1 hour time. That's what as per the last year. Okay. In fact, second round English also around Watson round. It's around 60 minutes, 55 minutes. Second round is Watson round, 55 minutes. There where you have to speak, listening, speaking, reading, writing, all are there. Related to that also we'll use certain inputs. Don't worry. Now, serious question. In a competition, average marks obtained was 45, but it was later discovered that some error in computerization, 90 students, average marks of 90 candidates has to be changed from 80 to 50 and the average come down to 40 marks. The total number of candidates appeared in the examination is what? This is an excellent question and this is what as an engineer, there is some error you need to rectify. Yeah, there is an error they said. So initially, how many people are there? They didn't mention. That's what you need to calculate. Average marks for some students is 45, but there is some error. For 90 candidates, average should be changed from 80 to 50. Because of that, overall average comes down to 40. Right? Okay. Now listen, simple logic, 80 to 50, how much decreased? 30 for how many people? 90. 90 into 30 means 2700 overall should be decreased. Simple logic. This is actually typical question if you go with formulas and all. But if you think in a logical way, simple one. Marks how much decrease, right? And is it average decreasing matching or not? Yeah, 90 candidates, for them 80 to 50 means 30 down. 90 to 30 means 2700 should be down, right? Now, overall average 45 to 40. How much down? 5 into something should match with this 2700. And how much down? 2700 down for 90 candidates, right? That should be matched with that one. Yeah, 5 for into how much should give 2700. 5, 40. That's it, complete. Use it, this question solving with formulas waste. Okay, for 90 candidates only problem. Right? Okay, that is affecting overall. Yes, see, I think recently we have a report. Okay, like suppose the entire class, how many people solved one, okay, or maybe average marks in subject for one subject, let us say mathematics, average for the class is 50. Some of you may got 100 also. Some of the students got 10. Because of those students who got 10, you got 100 also, still average of the class is 50. Average decrease because of some people also. Here, 90 candidates only changed, but it is affecting overall average of the class. 45 become 40 because of 90 students in that. So 90 into that down 30, 2700. This effect should be matched with the overall average 5 into some number of candidates attending for the exam. So if you just work on it, okay, as we mentioned, n must be equal to 5, 40. 270 into 2, 540 is that's what option D. Right? So there are good questions given from quant and please read question in exam. It is new also. Don't worry. This is also new question only. But if you just think logically, you can solve. Majority we try to cover time and distance, we cover time and work, we covered questions related to that. We discuss questions related to more related to percentages. More and more we discuss percentages simplification. Lot we tried, okay, but still if any new question came also, don't worry. First read the question. Okay, they are giving basic and moderate only. One or two difficult, but majority are basic and moderate. Focus on that. And I repeat that timer when you practice the mock test, give 25 minutes only for your reasoning. Extra 10 minutes, that 35 minutes give it to quant. The 1 hour 60 minutes will be matched because the people right now not entered into entire part of quant. It will take time to solve questions in quant for sure. Right. So any doubts from your end, please?